Doctors ignore these foods that heal your body. Naturally, your body is constantly trying to heal itself. Every single second, cells are repairing, organs are cleansing, and systems are working to keep you alive. But what if I told you that some of the most powerful healing tools for your body are sitting in your kitchen, and almost nobody talks about them, not because they don't work, but because they don't come in a pill bottle? Most people believe healing only comes from medicine, and while modern medicine is important, it often enters the picture after damage is already done. What's rarely discussed is how food quietly supports healing long before things get serious. For thousands of years, food wasn't just fuel, it was medicine, it was prevention, it was protection. This video is for educational purposes only, but the foods you're about to hear about have been used across cultures for generations, and modern nutrition science is finally catching up. Let's start with one of the most overlooked healing foods, garlic. Garlic is not just a flavor booster. It contains sulfur compounds like allicin, which may help support immune function and cardiovascular health. Traditionally, garlic has been used to support the body during infections, inflammation, and even poor circulation. When consumed regularly, garlic may help the body defend itself naturally, not by attacking, but by strengthening internal systems. Next is something simple, cheap, and deeply underrated: leafy green vegetables. Spinach, kale, and other leafy greens are loaded with vitamins, minerals, and plant compounds that support detoxification and cellular repair. Your liver is one of your body's main healing organs, and leafy greens provide nutrients that may help it do its job more efficiently. When the liver works better, the entire body benefits. Digestion improves, energy stabilizes, and inflammation may reduce over time. Another food most people underestimate is ginger. Ginger has been used traditionally to support digestion, reduce nausea, and calm inflammation. It may help improve blood circulation and support the gut, which is critical because a large portion of your immune system lives there. When digestion improves, nutrient absorption improves. And when nutrient absorption improves, healing becomes easier. Now let's talk about something sweet but powerful: berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your cells from oxidative stress, a process linked to aging and chronic inflammation. You don't feel oxidative stress happening, but your body does. By regularly consuming antioxidant-rich foods, you may help your body defend itself at the cellular level. One more food that often goes ignored is fermented food. Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and other fermented foods support gut bacteria. A healthy gut doesn't just help digestion, it supports immunity, mood, and even hormonal balance. When your gut is weak, your body struggles. When your gut is supported, healing becomes more efficient. Here's the key point most people miss. These foods don't work like drugs. They don't force change. They support processes that already exist inside your body. That's why they're quiet. That's why they're slow. And that's why they're powerful. But there's a mistake many people make. They eat these foods occasionally, then expect results. Healing support comes from consistency. A little bit every day, not extremes, not quick fixes. Also, more is not always better. Over-consuming certain foods can cause discomfort, especially if your body is not used to them. Always listen to your body, and if you have medical conditions or take medication, consult a professional. Now imagine this. You wake up with better energy, your digestion feels lighter, your body doesn't feel inflamed all the time, not because you removed everything from your diet, but because you added the right things. Food doesn't replace doctors, food doesn't replace medicine, but the right food can reduce how much your body has to struggle in the first place. That's the part nobody talks about. If you want to learn more about how simple foods can support your body naturally, like this video and subscribe to the channel, because sometimes the most ignored medicine is already on your plate.